The Shiromani Akali Dal staged a massive protest outside the All India Congress Committee headquarters in the national capital against the Congress over Amarinder Singh's giving a clean chit to another Congress leader, Jagdish Tytler, who faces allegations of perpetrating genocidal violence against the Sikhs in November of 1984. Meanwhile, SAD leader Naresh Gujral alleged that the Congress party is shielding Tytler and delaying the proceedings in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. Naresh Gujral was shocked to hear that Captain Amarinder Singh is trying to defend Tytler. He added that if the NDA comes to power, the case will be thoroughly investigated and will be heard in the fast-track court.
They've been trying to shield Mr. Tytler for many years, we all know that. And our demand has been that a proper investigation be undertaken under the supervision of the Supreme Court. Of course, they don't listen to that, but once our government comes into power, we'll make sure that a proper investigation is undertaken, and thereafter this goes to a fast track court, because the way they've been stalling this whole thing since 1984, I mean, this is ridiculous. 30 years have passed by. You ask any Sikh on the road and they will tell you who are the people involved. People have seen them, people have accused them, and yet I'm shocked that Amarinder Singh is trying to defend him.
Gujral also questioned the UPA government's failure to set up an SIT in the case, despite Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi's statement that some congressmen were involved in the brutal riots.
Now that finally even the Congress Vice President has accepted, that means there is truth in this. There is truth in this allegation. So why don't they set up an SIT under the Supreme Court supervision, as was done in the case of Gujarat, so that the truth finally surfaces? Because they've been trying to stall this whole process, the investigative process, for such a long time.
Condemning Amarinder's statement, the SAD leader demanded stringent action against Congress Party's Amritsar candidate.
उनकी आपस में क्या मिली भगत है वो मैं नहीं कह सकता, लेकिन बड़ी हैरानगी की बात है कि अमरिंदर सिंह जी उनको क्लीन चिट दे रहे हैं जब कोर्ट का पूरा प्रोसेस खत्म नहीं हुआ, जब इन्वेस्टिगेटिव प्रोसेस खत्म नहीं हुआ, और ये उनको क्लीन चिट दे रहे हैं। बड़ी हैरानगी की बात है।
बीजेपी के सहयोगी हैं प्रवीण तोगड़िया का जो बयान है उस पर
मैं उसको सख्त से सख्त तरीके से कंडेम करता हूँ, उसे हम कंडेम करते हैं। ऐसी बयानबाजी बिल्कुल नहीं होनी चाहिए। इस देश में हर धर्म की इज्जत होनी चाहिए और हम करते हैं इस देश में सब लोग हर धर्म की इज्जत। ऐसे लोगों को डिसफ्रेंचाइज करना चाहिए और सख्त से सख्त लीगल कार्रवाई इनके खिलाफ होनी चाहिए।
Lambasting BJP leader Giriraj Singh's remark that the place for those who oppose Narendra Modi was in Pakistan, Naresh Gujral said Singh should be immediately arrested and the Saffron Party should expel him.
उनके खिलाफ बहुत सख्त कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। मैं तो ये भी कहता हूँ कि उनको अरेस्ट कर लेना चाहिए और बीजेपी को भी उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए, उन्हें सस्पेंड करना चाहिए, हो सके तो एक्सपेल भी कर देना चाहिए।
This report was brought to you by NNIS.